already had the shrimp already in there, so y'all see them in there. I just want to do something different. Actually, put the shrimp in there before the little sauce, then make it all together, just like that. Smackalicious, y'all. Smackalicious. What's up, Trinity Gang? It's your girl, Nate. And I'm back with another mukbang video. I said I want to do one more mukbang, but that's what I like to do. I like to eat, y'all. So, what we're going to get started off today is what I did differently. I had shrimp, medium shrimp, whatever. I put that in the pan first, just put it in there, didn't season none of that, but you know what I'm saying, I just wanted to try something different. So I did all the ingredients for the beloved sauce, and I had the shrimp in there already cooking, so I put the butter in there with it and all the other stuff, you know, all that stuff, whatever. Yeah, that's what I did, you guys, and look how it turned out. I got my 2 sodas because my cup is big, so this is how it turned out, y'all. See? Love sauce, y'all. That shit hot. About water. And you see, I got the cucumbers and the rice. I don't know what my rice looks like that though. Hey man, I said my prayers before I even started, but still. What is wrong with this light? The light is always white, child. But yeah, y'all, I did it different though. So yeah, the shrimp. See, it's the shrimp with the beloved sauce on it. Yeah, it's fire. And I just dip it in there. It's already been in there, but I'm gonna dip it in there and just eat. Oh my goodness, y'all. Then I got the lemon juice for my rice. I mean, I already put it on the, put lemon pepper on it. On the other side. So let's get into it. I'm dripping. Yeah, this is the only thing for me, like I can eat like that. Cause this stuff keep my head from hurting. The ginger in there. I want y'all to try this little meal that I made. For all the people that subscribe to me. Y'all should try to cook y'all shrimp with the beloved sauce. And you gotta have it just like that, with the rice and the cucumbers on the side, with the shrimp inside of it already. I got seafood. You can smell. I didn't eat beloved sauce without seafood. I never seen nobody eat beloved sauce without seafood. I said, well, girl, you can eat anything with beloved sauce. Ooh, it is spicy too. Spicy little thing. Yeah. Oh, my husband got to try this. I know he's gonna try it. He's like, oh, I seen that, look good. Then he back at work, so he gonna see my video, y'all. He's like, oh, so you make shrimp and beloved sauce. Oh, it's good. I think I added like too much butter, just for me. Oh, did I tell y'all I passed my test for Walmart? So your girl gonna be working at Walmart. And y'all gonna be getting more videos. Cause I'm thinking work during the day. Cause Trey work at night. Already ate dinner, y'all. But I had a headache, so I had to get up in the middle of the night. It was like, let's try to be little sauce. It's a shrimp. Because I didn't have blood sauce in it. I know y'all be like, yeah, you did. That girl, no. These videos, some of these videos old and upload them late. So, you get them like they do, but I really have them like a week or two later. Hey, y'all hit some of these YouTubers up? I heard some of these YouTubers up. Because I want to see how much they charge. Because people do charge for collabing. I mean, some people are not supposed to. I guess they say you're not supposed to charge a collab, but because you already getting paid for something, why not helping this person out? I mean, yeah, I got a lot of famous YouTubers and some that's making it to be famous. And some of them, they don't even talk back to them anymore. But it's all good. I'm gonna keep on grinding though. I'm gonna keep on grinding. Keep on doing my videos. Shit, even when I probably start working at Walmart, do a vlog at Walmart. Get everybody up on the channel. When I work at Walmart. And AZ. I made it kind of spicy, but it ain't too spicy working. I make my nose run, but you can tell when something good. How people be crunching and munching and they face when you bite it, when they bite it. And I don't know what's going on with YouTube and the subscribers. With the subscribers that I earned, I don't see how they take them away. Because one day it'll be high, go up, and then it go down. I don't know what's up with that. I need to get a YouTube like, hey, what's going on? What's up with my subscribers? Why they going up and down, up and down, up and down? Start flipping. Let me show you. I get my shrimp out of here. Put the shrimp on the rice like Probably a late. I go to sleep early and wiggle late. In the middle of the night. Kids already asleep, they already ate dinner. And I decided to share my meal with y'all. So y'all can see. Look at that. So nice. Yeah, I want y'all to try that. Make it with it. To be love sauce. The rice. And the cucumber. That's hot. So hopefully I'll be visiting Texas soon. Cause I still want to do a video with one of my favorite YouTubers. Well, a couple of them I have, but whatever one responds back. There's like only one response back, and that's Corey from Carmen Corey. He always responds back when you talk to him though. Yeah, he be going live on Instagram. A lot of YouTubers I don't even see like talking back to their subscribers. Like, where y'all think they came from? Where y'all think y'all got famous from? The supporters. I know they be busy, but Corey take the time out to actually talk to his subscribers and go live with them sometime on Instagram. I hit him up in the inbox also, and he told me his prices, so I know his prices. Everybody else hit up, they ain't said not a damn word to me yet. So hopefully I get to meet some of y'all soon. I'm not trying to collab with a little screenshot, like not screenshot, but what's that? That one thing where they be having like one person be at home and the other person be at their house and doing like a collab like that. No, I want to do a collab like where you come to my house or I come to your house, or you get a hotel and do the collaboration there. That's the kind of collab I'm trying to do. And a lot of people do a lot of mukbang stuff. I'll come eat your food. Trust me. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, it's dripping everywhere. It's hot. I got my mom started doing mukbang and stuff. She started doing her videos and stuff at home. So I'm showing her how to do it. So when she do go live, that she can do it on Instagram or Facebook or whatever. I'm cool, y'all. Like I said, the yummy deliciousness for the next day. Shout out to Mama Jones. I ain't Mama Jones, but she has a mama, so Miss Jones. Keeping up with the Joneses. Y'all need to go check her channel out, y'all. She awesome. And then More Eats. That's my girl, my sis. She awesome too. Y'all need to check her channel out too, y'all. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna drop a video, little screenshot, so y'all can check them out, cause they awesome. Oh yeah. Boom, boom, boom. More Eats. Grab your drinks to your treats. Boom, boom, boom. Say hi to Agnes. I ain't got it. Welcome to the Nightcap Madness. I had to, girl, 'cause I love that song. Every time she go live, I be singing it with her. Early friend again, y'all. One more bite. And we gonna be out. Just staying like hot chicken wings. I'm done. I'm not making my videos long, cause anybody got time for that. I ain't making this dog on food, so the video is not gonna be long. Hold on. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Hit my notification bell, and I'll keep y'all updated with my more videos to come. Hear me? And whatever y'all want to see, please drop a comment below and let me actually know what you want to see, and I will actually do it. If it's a prank on Trey, I'll do it. I look kind of cross-headed right now with my camera tripping. But yeah, drop the comments below of what you guys want to see, and I will do it. Or you can follow me on Instagram, name Trey. That's how you put NAYANDTREY on Instagram. So yeah, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out here again with a bite to go. Alright, you guys, make sure y'all go check out my girl, Keeping Up with the Joneses, y'all. She have good content. I love her videos. She's an awesome person. And make sure you check out my girl, More Eats. Her videos is also good. Her content, y'all go check them out and subscribe to their channel, y'all. Trend the gang. Hey, More Eats. Grab your drinks to your treats. Boom, boom, boom. Say hi to Agnes. Welcome to the Nightcap Madness. Subscribe, guys. Bye.